So, you want to get new cards in Magic the Gathering Arena, and there is only one major way. That way is to actually buy packs. Click here, you get packs, and here you purchase the different packs. In order to purchase these packs, you need to have enough gold by winning or completing quests. Usually you want to win different games, multiple games, or if you go here, you can complete these quests. By completing these quests, you will receive some gold. There is also another things which are gems, and you can also purchase things with gems. And to get gems for free, you have to win events here, usually draft. So once you purchase these packs, you of course open them, you buy, and now you have a pack. You can go here and open a pack in order to get new cards. With the start of every season, there is with the start of every new edition, there is usually a few packs that are given for free, and sometimes they give away a few things for free, a few cards. That is how you acquire new cards in Magic the Gathering Arena.